Hello people, those who has a F20 error code on the Whirlpool Duet washing machine. My case was the flow meter here. I read somewhere that it's not necessary to replace it. You can just flip it and put it in the reverse. You take this clip here out, reverse it, put everything back, and it works. Also, somebody says that somebody fixed it by replacing the water valve or pressure switch or pressure hose. I tried first the pressure switch. It was not my case. You can also blow in that hose. I tried that. It did not make any changes. It was not blocked. And of course I cleaned the drain pump. I found some objects, and it's not the case. It's not about this. It was draining very good. So my symptoms was the water is coming, and within like 1 or 2 minutes it's giving the error code, and there was like a little water inside the machine. I disconnected hoses, cold and hot water. I cleaned those filters at the back of the water inlet valve, and I checked the pressure for the water supply. It was amazing. So I tried this everything, nothing helped, only the flow meter. So I hope it's gonna be your case. It's gonna be so easy to do it. I wish you all the best. Thank you guys, good luck.